WhatsApp is something that is used by almost every smartphone user, and a few months back it launched the feature to delete sent messages. Well, restoring the deleted message is a very simple task, and I guess many of you know about that. But today we are gonna talk about something different, that how can we view deleted medias like deleted images, videos or audios. So with that being said, yo, what's up guys, Devansh here, and if you guys like the type of quality we are producing these days, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and without any further delay, let's go for it. So before we get started, make sure you press the subscribe button and press the bell icon for future notifications. So here I am messaging from this phone WhatsApp to another phone WhatsApp, and for those who don't know about delete from everyone feature, this is what really happens. If someone will use delete from everyone option, then it will show you this message was deleted. So for this you will have to download an application named What's Removed Plus. Since it is a paid application, you will have to download it from the link given below in the description if you want to free download it. After installing this application, it will ask for some permission. Grant all the permission. Now let's have a look how it works. First try with a text message. Here you can see the deleted message has trapped in the What's Removed Plus application. Now let's try with the WhatsApp media. We will send an image and will delete it later. And here you can see that What's Removed Plus has trapped that media even after deleting from everyone. And from here you can get that deleted image. Now let's try with an audio file. And again it worked great. You can download this application for free without paying any single penny from the link given below in the description. You should give this app a try. I hope you all enjoyed this video a lot, so guys, go and download this application from the link given below in the description, and make sure you are following me on Instagram at techparadise_. The link of my Instagram is also given below in the description. So guys, if you have any question in your mind regarding this video, please put a comment below in the comment section, and if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on tech. I am Devansh, and I'll catch you in the next one.
I feel drop their